If you want to quickly remove distractions and replace objects in your photos, Lightroom now makes that easier than ever with Firefly-powered Generative Remove. In this video, I'll show you how to use Firefly object replacement in Lightroom in a simple, fast, and beginner-friendly way. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Lightroom tips and editing workflows. Let's get into it. First, open your photo in Lightroom. This works in Lightroom Classic, Lightroom Desktop, and Lightroom Mobile, so whichever version you use, the process is very similar. If you're in Lightroom Classic, go into the Develop module. If you're using the desktop version, head to the Edit panel. The tool you're looking for is the Healing tool, which is usually shown as an eraser or Band-Aid icon. Once you find it, click on it and look for the Generative AI option. Make sure that checkbox is turned on. This is the part that activates Adobe Firefly-powered object replacement. Without it, you may only get a normal healing result, but with Generative AI enabled, Lightroom can intelligently rebuild the area with content that matches the scene. Now select the brush and start painting over the object you want to remove or replace. For the best results, don't just paint the object itself. Try to cover the object fully and include a little bit of the surrounding background too. That gives Lightroom more visual information to work with, which helps it create a cleaner and natural result. As you paint, Lightroom will begin analyzing the area. In many newer versions, you may not even need to do anything extra after brushing. The AI will automatically generate a fill and replace the object with something that blends into the photo. This is especially useful for removing people in the background, trash bins, poles, signs, power lines, or any other unwanted distraction. After Lightroom processes the area, you'll usually see up to 3 variations of the generated result. This is one of the best parts of the tool because it gives you options instead of forcing just one result. Click through the variations and choose the one that looks most natural and best matches the lighting, texture, and perspective of your image. If the result isn't perfect the first time, don't worry. You can always undo it, repaint the area slightly differently, or adjust the brush size and try again. Small changes in how you paint can make a big difference in the final output. For detailed backgrounds, it sometimes helps to make the selection a little wider so the AI has more room to blend the replacement smoothly. This tool is great for cleaning up portraits, travel photos, product shots, and even busy street scenes. Instead of spending time cloning or manually editing every little distraction, you can let Firefly and Lightroom handle most of the work for you. That saves time and keeps your editing workflow much faster and easier. So to recap, open the Healing tool, enable Generative AI, brush over the object, and choose the best variation from the AI-generated results. That's how you use Firefly object replacement in Lightroom to remove distractions and fill the space naturally. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more Lightroom tutorials, photo editing tips, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.